Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can enable or disable low power mode on your iPhone. Please, friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also be sure to write your comments after viewing and put likes under this video. Dear friends, let us get down to our topic. And now I'm going to show you two methods how you can do this. And the first one, you will need to go to the settings on your iPhone. And after that, find the battery option. And here at the very top, you can easily find the low power mode. So please click on it. And as you can see, now I have the brightness of the screen itself that has lowered, and also the top of the battery has become yellow color. So it's very easy to tell very easily that you have this low power mode activated. And actually, how can this mode help you? It can help you extend the life of your battery on your iPhone if you need it. But if you don't feel comfortable or want to switch to low power mode often, and you just don't feel comfortable going into the settings to turn it on and off all the time, then I'll show you another way you can activate it more quickly. First of all, swipe from the right side from top to bottom of your iPhone screen. And now, as you can see, you're going to go to the Control Center and first of all, tap and hold on the empty field. Now friends, you'll need to add another widget to the ones you have. To do that, at the bottom, click right here. And add, as you can see, the Reduced Power Consumption widget. Once it's added, you can move it somehow. Friends, let's say. You can modify it if you feel more comfortable doing so. After that, click on the empty field as well. And now, to activate it, you will just have to click on this low power mode or click on it to turn it off. This will save you a lot of time, folks, to switch between modes. This is the method. Like this, friends, you can easily turn on or off the low power mode on your iPhone. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and be sure to write your comments. Take care, friends.